about people. I think that about cats, and sometimes I'm also like, man, it must suck to be that attractive. Especially when I look at like some movie stars, I'm like, that seems rough. At some point, that seems a bit rough. I don't remember what brought that to mind yesterday. I was watching something and I was like, do you just live your life like this? But yeah. Alas, poor Darcy. He's too cute for this world. It's too cute of a little kitty for this world. Go. Kind of like a... I wonder how this will turn out. I actually have no idea how this is gonna turn out. We will find out together. Uh-oh. Okay, alright, we're good. We're good. So glad I have ugly privilege. I didn't mean it in that way, Layan. Just that, like, I don't know. It sounds kind of annoying. At some point. To live your life looking like some sort of Aphrodite. Just living through the real world must be awkward, I gotta say. Layan, I think we've spoken about this before. I'm not sure if I have with you, but I did once read an entire book about the advantages of being beautiful. The like there was a book written by an economist. I could probably find what it's called, but it's a fun like short read about the economic advantages of being beautiful. It's very weird, but it's a fun book. Rain's here. Congrats. Stay safe, Andrew. Now that the raid's finally